Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, we're walking through how to create a high converting sales page on Wix in 2025. Whether you're selling digital products, services, or physical items, this will get your page up and running fast and professionally. First, head over to Wix.com and sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, create a free account. It takes just a minute. Once you're in, click on Create a New Site and select Businesses or Online Store, depending on what you're selling. Next, choose a template. Wix has some great templates designed specifically for sales pages. Look for one with a strong call into action, product section, and clean layout. Once selected, hit Edit. Inside the Wix editor, begin by changing your headline. This should be short, attention-grabbing, and clearly describe your offer. Below that, add a sub-headline that explains the benefit of your products or service in one sentence. Scroll down and showcase your products. Add high-quality images, video if you have them, and a short description that highlights the feature and benefits. Make sure to include a buy now or get started button. They should be bold and easy to see. Now, add a social proof. Drop in customer reviews, ratings, or testimonials. This helps build trust instantly. If you're just starting and don't have reviews yet, use trust icons like secure checkout badge and satisfaction guarantees. Next, integrate your payment method. Go to Settings, Accept Payments, and connect Wix Payments, PayPal, or Stripe, depending on your region. Test the checkout flow once everything sets. Lastly, optimize your mobile. Use the mobile preview tool and tweak your layout to make sure everything looks clean and responsive on phones. Once you're happy with your page, hit publish and share your link. And that's it. You've just created a full-scale page on Wix. Whether you're selling your first product or scaling up, and this is a build to comfort. That's it guys. See you in the next one.